Hey, it's Nina Nevsky, and today I'm going to show you how to play this song, Yeshua. It's so beautiful. I'm going to be playing it in the key of G. It's a Maverick City version. So in the key of D, we only have one black key, which is so awesome. We only have to worry about this one, and all the rest are white, so that makes it very easy. For the introduction, you can either just play through the chorus chords just by playing C, D, E minor, and then a B minor. Or you can actually play the melody of the chorus if you choose to. So you can kind of play it simple like that, or bring the left hand a little lower and include more of those bass notes. So So notice how that D, it moves right when it's like a really quick chord. So what I'm doing here with my left hand is I'm playing the flowy style, which looks like this. It's such a beautiful style, and you can add it to any song to really make it come alive. You can also just do octaves and press both the C notes. That honestly sounds just as good, so whatever you kind of choose to do. So the chords are C, da 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 da, D, E minor, da da da, and then B minor. And with your right hand, you're going to be playing these notes: D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, and then F sharp, G, F sharp, G, B, and then F sharp. So and you can play that through how many times you want. So basically I'm just gonna play it through again for you. Then you can go into the verse. All right, I'm gonna go from the introduction into the verse. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. My beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. And you can repeat this as many times as you want with those same chords: E minor, da, da, C, and then going to G, thousands, and then going to D, thousands. Again, the way that you build up is adding more bass. So if you want it to be extra loud, go ahead and add more bass. Beloved is the most beautiful among thousands and thousands. My beloved is. So as you get louder, you want to press on those bass notes a little more, and then you go into the chorus. You can also start the song with the chorus as well. There's really no rules. It's such a beautiful song. And then you end it off with that D, thousands, and you go into the chorus. And the chorus chords are a little different. You have a C, and then you almost go up the steps with a D and E minor. and then you go back to the B right here, B minor. So it looks like this. Yeshua. Notice as my voice gets louder, I'm adding more bass. If you're playing in a band and you have like your drums and your bass player, you might not need to do that. But if you have, limited instruments and you're just playing piano or maybe just guitar, it could be helpful to add that bass in to kind of help with that build up. So after you finish that chorus, a lot of times you can go into this beautiful bridge, and it's the original song is Heaven Come, I think, Let Heaven Come. So basically you end it off with, and you can play the chords, the same chords of the chorus. D, E minor, again climbing these steps, and then B minor. Again, the chords are C. You can even play the melody. Whoops. Again, I'm going to play that instrumental for you to see. And then you can go into the bridge. And yours is the kingdom, yours is the power, yours is the glory forever. Amen. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the power, yours is the glory forever. Amen. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the power, yours is the glory forever. Amen. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the power, yours is the glory forever. Amen. See, as I'm building up, there's more bass. Playing through that same chord progression. Let heaven come. Let heaven come. Anyway, I totally messed up on that, you guys. But you see, you can really go anywhere from this. You can do Let Heaven Come with that same chord progression. And then after you're finished with that bridge or just that instrumental, you can go back into Yeshua. So you can keep playing loud. And then sing Yeshua. I forgot that chord for a second. I noticed people tend to get a little quieter for this chorus just because it's so slow and beautiful. And then really you can alternate between going back to the verse. Obviously, it's so beautiful. My beloved back from a kids camp, and they were repeating this verse over and over. It was just so beautiful, of kids just pouring their love on Jesus. So this song really has no rules. We've started it with the chorus before, we started it with the verse before, so it really doesn't matter. It all depends on what kind of, where you want to start. Really, that's what it depends on. All right, guys, that's the full tutorial. Feel free to go to pianoministrycourse.com, where I just really walk you through piano ministry and how to play during the different situations that we get put into. And that's pianoministrycourse.com, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.